So you want to know what are the best things to do in Xinjiang, China? Great, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to discuss the top things to do in Xinjiang. Number 14. Karez Lake. Karez Lake, located in Burqin County, is a striking alpine lake fed by glaciers. Its waters shift in color, from turquoise to sapphire, depending on the weather and season. The surrounding area offers wooden trails through dense forests, with stops at scenic spots like Wolong Bay, Moon Bay, and Fairy Bay. For a panoramic view, hike up to Guanyu Pavilion. In autumn, the forests turn vibrant shades, and in winter, you can enjoy snow-covered landscapes, fur skiing, and sledding. Karez Lake also connects to hiking routes leading to nearby villages like Hemu, ideal for outdoor lovers. Number 13. Kashgar Old Town. Kashgar Old Town offers a glimpse into the daily life and culture of the Uyghur people, with winding alleys and traditional earthen homes that have stood for centuries. Stroll through the maze-like streets, visit the historic Kashgar century-old tea house, and explore shops where artisans continue ancient crafts. Nearby, the Id Ka Mosque, one of China's largest, and the Afak Koja Mausoleum showcase Islamic architecture. For a deeper experience, visit the lively Kashgar Grand Bazaar to sample local food and the Sunday livestock market, where sheep, camels, and cattle are traded. Number 12. Jiaohe Ancient City. Jiaohe Ancient City, located near Turpan, is an exceptionally well-preserved clay-built city over 2,000 years old. This UNESCO site, shaped like a leaf, was once the capital of the Cheshi Kingdom and later a key military post during the Han and Tang dynasties. Due to Turpan's dry climate, the city's layout, including markets, temples, residences, and workshops, remains intact. The ruins, made entirely of earth, offer a glimpse into ancient Chinese ingenuity. Sunset is an ideal time to explore and capture photos of this striking site, with its unique blend of history and desert landscape. Number 11. Seyram Lake. Seyram Lake, in the Ili Basin near the Kazakhstan border, is Xinjiang's largest alpine lake, known as the last tier of the Atlantic due to its distant connection to the Atlantic's moist air. The lake, sitting at 2,000 meters, features crystal-clear blue water and is surrounded by grasslands filled with wildflowers, grazing horses, and yurts. Snow-capped Tian Shan peaks in the distance create a stunning backdrop. Visitors can explore the area with an eco-friendly sightseeing car, go biking, or even participate in the annual cycling race around the lake for a memorable experience. Number 10. Taklamakan Desert. The Taklamakan Desert, one of the largest sandy deserts on Earth, stretches across southern Xinjiang. Its name means, "you can get in but can't get out" in Uyghur, highlighting its challenging terrain with shifting sand dunes and extreme conditions. Despite its harshness, highways like the Tarim Desert Highway and Hotan Ala Air Desert Highway allow safe travel through the desert, offering views of massive dunes and unique landscapes. For a more immersive experience, visitors can explore desert edges near spots like Make It N39 or take camel rides and ATV tours. Crossing the desert is possible by car, but only with proper preparation. Number 9. Kizil Caves of Thousand Buddhas. The Kizil Caves in Baicheng County are an ancient Buddhist site carved into a riverside cliff along the Silk Road. Dating back to the 3rd century, these are the oldest Buddhist grottos in China, even predating the famous Dunhuang Mogao Caves. Of the original 339 caves, only 81 still contain murals, though many sculptures have been lost. A standout feature is the unique central pillar design that merges shrines with monk living spaces. The remaining murals, known for their vivid blue pigment and scenes of ancient life, reflect a blend of Chinese and foreign artistic influences. Number 8. Flaming Mountain. Flaming Mountain, or Huoyan Mountain in Turpan, is known for its intense heat and striking red color, thanks to the red stones and mudstones that make up its surface. Temperatures can soar up to 47.8 degrees Celsius, with the ground reaching nearly 90 degrees Celsius, hot enough to cook an egg. The mountain is famous for its role in the classic novel, Journey to the West. While no plants or animals survive in this extreme environment, you can explore the nearby Flaming Mountain Grand Canyon, Bezeklik Buddhist Caves, Gaochang Ancient City, and Tuyuk Valley, or enjoy fresh grapes in Grape Valley. By the way, check the links in the description for the ultimate guide on finding cheap flights, plus recommended tour operators in Xinjiang. Number 7. Heavenly Lake of Tian Shan Mountains. Heavenly Lake, nestled on the slopes of Bogda Peak, offers clear, emerald waters surrounded by spruce and pine forests. The lake reflects the snowy peak and lush forests, creating stunning photo opportunities. You can take a boat ride across the lake or hike along its shores for fresh air and beautiful views. For a panoramic view, take a cable car to Mount Maya. Nearby, explore smaller lakes, waterfalls, and Kazakh cultural sites. At an altitude of nearly 2,000 meters, the lake stays cool in summer, making it a refreshing escape from Urumqi. Number 6. Ili Apricot Valley. Ili Apricot Valley bursts into bloom every April, transforming the landscape into a vibrant sea of pink and white apricot flowers. Covering 30,000 acres, this valley is home to Xinjiang's largest wild apricot forest, with trees said to date back to the 14th century. The short fluorescence draws nature lovers and photographers to capture the stunning contrast of blossoms against green meadows, traditional ethnic houses, and grazing herds, all set against the backdrop of the Naradi Snow Mountain and the Gongaisi River. Plan ahead as the bloom period is brief, and it's a popular spring destination. Number 5. Tarim Populus Euphratica Forest. The Tarim Populus Euphratica Forest in Luntai, Xinjiang, showcases the resilient Euphrates poplar, one of the few trees that thrive in desert landscapes. This unique forest, located near the Tarim Basin and Taklamakan Desert, transforms into a golden wonderland each autumn as the leaves turn bright yellow. The trees often take on striking artistic shapes, resembling people and animals, making the area a visual spectacle. Alongside the forest, you'll see a stunning mix of desert, river, and lake. Nearby, the Muley Forest is home to the world's oldest Euphrates poplar, adding to the region's ancient charm. Number 4. Nalati Grassland. Nalati Grassland, nestled in the Tian Shan Mountains, offers a stunning subalpine meadow surrounded by snowy peaks, valleys, and rivers. From June to September, the grassland comes alive with vibrant wildflowers and lush greenery. Kazakh nomads, who have lived here since ancient times, continue their traditional lifestyle, offering visitors a glimpse of authentic culture. You can explore the expansive plains dotted with yurts, ride horses, and enjoy panoramic views of the mountains and river valleys. The grassland's natural beauty and rich cultural heritage make it a great spot for both sightseeing and cultural immersion. Number 3. Tashkurgan Stone City. Tashkurgan, meaning Stone City in Uyghur, is known for its ancient stone fort, once the palace of the Puli Kingdom during the Han Dynasty. Located at the junction of Silk Road routes, the fort served as a vital stop for travelers heading to the Pamir's Plateau. Though the city was eventually abandoned, you can still explore its ruins, with broken walls, barbette remains, and scattered rubbles. The site offers a unique glimpse into history, framed by snow-capped mountains and the vast Allaire golden grassland, making it a fascinating spot for historical and cultural exploration. Number 2. Xinjiang Regional Museum. Xinjiang Regional Museum in Urumqi showcases the region's rich history and diverse ethnic culture. Highlights include artifacts from the Astana tombs and Nia ruins, offering insight into Xinjiang's ancient past. The museum's mummy exhibition, featuring the famous Lulan beauty, gives a unique look at ancient burial practices. You can also explore lifelike displays of traditional customs, showing how Xinjiang's ethnic groups live, celebrate, and dress. The museum's exhibits are a great way to dive deeper into the cultural heritage of the region. Number 1. Xinjiang Food. Xinjiang's diverse food culture reflects its multi-ethnic makeup, with beef and mutton as staples. Popular dishes include dapanji, spiced chicken with chili, roasted mutton kebabs, and hand-pulled pilaf with carrots and mutton. Street bazaars and food markets like Urumqi's Erdao Chiao Market offer a wide range of local snacks, including Nang crispy bread and fried rice noodles. Xinjiang is also known for its fruits, with grapes from Turpan, melons from Hami, and pomegranates from Yecheng being must-try seasonal treats, all made sweeter by the region's long sunny days. Click here to watch this video.